Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your country on Gmail. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, navigate to your Gmail account. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a small menu with a few options related to your account. From this menu, select the option labeled Manage Your Google Account. Clicking on it will take you to your Google Account settings page, where you can access a wide range of personal information and settings. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation menu. Here, click on Personal Info. This is where your basic information is stored, such as your name, birthday, and address. Scroll down through the Personal Info section until you reach the address area. This section lists your current registered addresses. Locate your home address, which is usually displayed prominently, and click on it. A new window will open, allowing you to add or edit the address. Be sure to enter it in the correct format for the country you want to register. Double-check for typos or missing details such as postal codes to ensure all the information is accurate. Once you've entered your updated address, the crucial next step is to save the changes. In the Address Input window, click the Save button. This will confirm your new address and update the country associated with your Google account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your country on Gmail. So that's basically how you can change your country on Gmail. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.